Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a phone setup on HMD Pulse Pro. So you have to start by clicking Let's Go, and now you can connect to mobile network, or you can click Skip. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can click Setup Offline and then click Continue. Now you have to click More and then click Accept. Now you can set up unlock with fingerprint, or you can click Skip. Here you can set up face unlock, or you can click Skip. Now you can set up screen lock, or you can click Skip and then click Skip anyway. Here you can choose navigation mode and then click Next. And now you can click Leave and Get Reminder. And now your phone setup is done. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.